Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leanne Anderson, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my natural makeup look, and I'm so excited to show you guys how I do it. It's really quick and simple and easy to do. You can do it anywhere, wherever you want to go. It's quick and simple. So firstly, what I'm doing is I'm starting with my eyebrows. Y'all know I love to start with my eyebrows, and I'm using an old mascara brush, and I'm using it to just brush up my eyebrows so that they look neat. And then I'm gonna go in with my black Opal eyebrow pencil, and I'm gonna use it to shape my eyebrows. Now I like to start from where my nose begins, and I like to shape from there onwards because I don't want my eyebrows to look super straight. Like, I realized when I started doing my YouTube videos, I've been doing my eyebrows like super straight, and then I was like, let me learn how to do it the new way. And I discovered you have to start by your nose going upwards to your eyebrows. Now I'm using this eyebrow pencil, and I'm using it to fill in my eyebrows, or in other words, color in my eyebrows. And I'm using the black color pencil. I'm gonna try using brown one day, but that's for another video. Next, I'm going in with this Nick K concealer, and I've been loving this concealer. Like, it's super light, but it really helps to shape your eyebrows and make them look so professional. And I'm really loving this concealer. It is so amazing. So I'm just putting and making sure that I apply enough coating on my eyebrows. Now, the purpose for concealer, for those who do not know, is to shape your eyebrows well and to make it look neat or fix up any mistakes. So sometimes you may make your eyebrows a little bit big, but yo guys, let me tell you, concealer comes to the rescue. Now I'm just blending out the concealer. You really need to blend it out, because if you just leave the concealer on just like that, it's gonna make your eyebrows look a little more weird. So you need to blend your concealer, and I'm blending it and making sure that it looks good. Next, I'm going in and I'm putting on my eyelashes, but I will not show you how I do it because I'm very messy when it comes to putting on eyelashes. Now I'm just putting in my favorite foundation, which is the Just Be Gorgeous foundation, and I'm going to put just enough on my arm, and I'm going to be taking it bit by bit and applying it on my face. Now, you really want this makeup look to look natural, so you don't want to put too much foundation on your face. So I'm also using the foundation to like shape my eyebrows and to cover up the concealer a little bit, because I don't want the concealer to be the main attraction of my face. So I'm going to also do it under my eye. So the foundation for today, the foundation will be like the eyeshadow. Get it? Next, I'm going in with this rice powder. Yes guys, y'all know I use rice powder on my face a lot, and I'm really blending it under my eyes and on my forehead, so that my face looks less of oily, because it was really oily when I applied the foundation. So I'm applying this rice powder to like mattify my face. Next, I'm going in with this Mesmerizing eyeliner gel, and I'm using it as a lip liner on my lips, and it is dark brown. I really like this. I've been liking this new lip thing, the ombre look on your lips. So I'm using this eyebrow eyeliner, and I'm lining it right around my lips. Next, I'm going in with my black Opal lip gloss, and I really love this lip gloss. Just makes your lips look shiny. And then I'm going in with the Nick K lip gloss. It's a little bit of an orangish lip gloss, and I really love this lip gloss. And look at the lips, guys. And this was the final look, guys. It's a very simple, quick look you can do. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and see y'all in the next video.